First oil change, 350Z.
What'd I say with the camera? It makes a huge difference.
First oil change, 350Z. Better?
Because you can't put...
Here she is. As you can see, we've taken everything out now. It's a little dark. Maybe I can get a flashlight here in a little bit. So the plan for today is taking out the differential. So lift the set up, take that out. You guys will see. I believe it's 2, maybe 3 bolts, and then the differential mounts. My brother knows, so let him lead the way, and we'll see. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. All right, and we're up. A couple jack stands with some tires. Try to make sure we're extra safe here. Jack stand. Oh, Tommy can't be without Chucky. And then we'll slip a tire under there. And then let's see if I can get a good shot of it from here. There she blows. So we'll be taking that out today, draining it, and hopefully sometime this week, if not next week. I am going to New York next week, so I want to do it before then. We'll be welding this, putting it back. All right, let's get to work.
We don't have to move the exhaust.
Sick. Amazing.
All right, I need 214 wrenches. And you're gonna have to take the weight off. I need a light, because I don't know what size. No, I'm not. All right. So we need to remove 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts from the drive shaft. I'm not sure the size yet, I think 17. So you need 2 17 wrenches. This is 14, we need. You know what, give me 16s.
Yeah.
So this is our first time removing a diff, so don't expect perfection. We might need the 14s for the diff, leave them out,
Okay. You say you want 2 16s?
The diffs are 14s.
You're missing
That means
block 16 still.
the what?
You're still missing the block 16.
All right. So the axles are 14. What is this?
16.
I hope it's not 16.
Me neither.
It is not 16, 17.
Thank God.
Hopefully it's 17. It is a 17 mil. All right. So the drive shaft bolts are 17 mil, 4 17 mil bolts, and the axle bolts are 14 mil, same thing. 1 on each side. So we're gonna go ahead and remove these bolts first from the drive shaft. Do you want to film that? Cause I just put your hand under here for me.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna try to do it from here.
How I'm gonna break this from under here? The Lord may never know.
I'm Petro.
Yeah, I can't get one under here. So.
I can't even see down there right now.
Hey!
struggling a little bit. We didn't realize the car was in gear. So now that the drive shaft can turn, spin, I'll show you.
Now it can spin freely, so I don't have to reach for bolts. Maybe we'll just cut this out. I need my
It was his fault. I'm
I've done the last one. It's not my fault. I told you to. All right, now I'll put it in gear.
Okay. So now that it's in the right direction, we can get to it. I'll put that in first. No, I don't believe it matters.
Now this should just yaga. See, drive shaft is out.
Come on, show it again.
No, it just did it by itself. All right, now we're gonna take the axles out, which I'm gonna do from here. So we're gonna do this side first. Give me the two 14 mils that we had. Here's the last bolt. I'm putting it over there. So, no, right there. The 14 mils are right in front of you, right in front of you on the floor. All right. So now we're gonna remove these axles. Boom, just so they're about 6 down.
What did you break?
It's just slipped.
Oh, it's like, pull it back. Is that
Is it bad? Yes, it is.
in a bad way?
Is it supposed to be like that? Yes, yes it is.
Thank God. I'm still afraid to find things broken from when I fucked it up.
What did you do? I'm not always Superman, sometimes I'm Superman. I gotta stop doing that.
I know. I mean, I'm not gonna say it's not turning me on.
Okay, that's weird.
That's weird. It's not helping the weirdness.
Alright, that's 3 of 6. Next one, beautiful. Look at that. Just come out. I actually using. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm using the sway bar. I'm using the sway bar to hold this, so I don't have to use both hands.
This is a sway bar. He's keeping it locked here, so he doesn't have to use both hands.
Maybe not. Maybe. Oh, that's on a brake line. Let's not do that.
Take this off?
I'm gonna try to pull this back out. What do you mean take it off? I need it.
So that you can realign it.
Yeah, I don't need to. I couldn't take it off. I have to push it here.
See, look, I'm just gonna hold this here so it stays with this.
You're not going to be able to do that.
Bro, one-handed. Don't worry about it.
Where's this?
You don't know the power of my thumbs. You got those extra thumbs.
Oh, by the way, I'm doing this because it gives me extra torque.
Torque.
Torque. What you talking about? Monica, no!
Ooh, you like that? That called that one thumb. That one thumb hold.
That's what they call your penis. The one thumb. Good thumb work, Tommy.
Oh, I completely forgot what we were doing. But you had it already.
How many bolts are we loosening already?
Wait.
This is the last one.
Right there. I think this is 5.
I don't think this did it. Oh, it did.
Yeah, I'm loosening. I'm loosening.
And
Okay, so we added some wood. So we only have one more bolt to take off for the differential mount, but the muffler's in the way.
Exhaust.
Or exhaust. So we're like, let's take off the exhaust. And we're dealing with the rustiest screw. Just listen to it. We've been doing this for like
It's
40
almost
minutes.
loose. It's almost out, and it's still doing this.
And it's slowly coming, but lower the volume on your computers.
This entire thing, this entire way, it's been like this.
Finally.
Oh my God.
Guys, we kid you not, maybe 20 minutes sitting with this bolt. So.
It's hot. It's on fire. Feel how hot this bolt is from all the torque. No, you can't pick it up.
Ow, ow. This is so hot right now.
Look how rusty it is. I can't even get out of this wrench. Here.
Oh, it's all like heating up. Look at that.
Now we have another one.
Look at this.
The other exhaust.
The other exhaust bolt snapped right, huh?
The other exhaust bolt.
Yeah, the other exhaust bolt snapped right off, so we're gonna have to worry about that later. We're able to move it out of the way and get the impact drill up in here for the last one.
I'm gonna need you to pull the exhaust towards me.
So explain to us what's going on, Tom.
So, of course, per usual, blocking my way here. The last bolt has to be stripped on the bolt head. So we're going to our friend Tonio's house.
The last nut on
Differential.
we have one mount left
We're
on
tired.
the differential. We have one mount left on the differential that we have to unbolt, and the nut
Use the
stripped.
right lane to take exit 2 onto FLA 23 and Flamingo Road.
Okay.
So we're going to our friend's house because he has the in-between bolt to fix a strip bolt that we can get out, and it's the last bolt. Then we have the 2 sensors left over, and then we're done, and we can drop the diff. But
Oh, tell him too, we had to drop that other piece because the
Take the exit.
I don't even know. There's some
I don't
bracket.
even know what
There's
it's
some
called.
bracket up there, so we can get the impact in there.
We'll
just
show you
to make
guys what
life
it is.
easier. We didn't have to take that
In
part
half a
out, but
mile,
we did.
Turn left.
Shut up, Siri.
onto
All right, bye.
Toward
Bye.
I-5.
Hey, so I hope the camera's pointing on me. We got some grip tight tools that our friend gave us. And this here, I don't know if I could show you, is a 16. And that's the biggest one he has. He is the man for having this. But we need a 17. So we're just gonna call it a night right now. We're pretty tired. It's been a few hours just because this car is from up north, I believe Pennsylvania, so it did have a lot of rust on it. It was hard to get a lot of stuff out. So we're gonna get the last 2 sensor bolts out, and then tomorrow, sometime after work, I'm gonna go, or if Eric can go. We're gonna go get the right grip tight for the 17 and get it out. It should be good. So we'll let you guys know, and till then, peace.
Peace out.